Hey friends, listen, tonight we're going to open some of the boxes, some of the items that I've shared with y'all lately. I know y'all love me opening boxes, and so let's get started. Let me see if we're on Facebook. How's everybody doing? Is everybody ready to go back to work tomorrow? And I found out the kids are out of school all week long. Like, where am I? Where am I? There we go. As you're hopping on, say hello. Y'all remember me sharing some Christmas sheets? Well, I got those in, and I've already got them out of the box. Hey, Terry. Hey, Annie. Anyway, they are so pretty, and y'all, these are wrinkle resistant, and I got king size. And when I bought them, they were $19. Well, right now, they're $17. Isn't that crazy? They are, let's see, wrinkle resistant. It says microfiber, machine washable, all the things. So, these are so pretty. And I thought, you know, everybody's doing the, what is it called? Ralph Lauren look this year. And look, they've got two different colors. This came from Belk online. I was trying to find a pillowcase. I think that's easier to hold up. Dang, is that a pillowcase? It's a long one. Anyway, these are so pretty and they're so soft. I can't wait to wash them. I'm going to wash them before I put them on the beds. That is not a pillowcase. Anyway, I was trying to find a pillowcase so I could hold it up. Okay, here we go. Whoop, no. Feels like, there it is. Anyway, they are so pretty and festive. And I was thinking they will look good all winter long. And I love, like, having something fun for when family comes, you know, like the bedding and stuff. I do Christmas pajamas, so this year's going to be Christmas. Now, it's not flannel. They are very soft. And look, I got king size. These are big. And they do have another color. Let's see, what was that? Anyway, they've got another color that's not as red, in case you don't like red. But sheets is the key word tonight. Then, y'all know I love the Refab box. And look, if you type the word sheets and you can't, those links, you can't click on them, just copy them and paste them in your browser. Or I pinned them in a link. And y'all, the Refab box this month is like, you know, busting. What I mean, it feels like it's full. So let's see what we got. I know a lot of times, sometimes links don't work in Messenger. It just depends. And y'all, this is one thing that I love about Brooke's boxes. She always puts a card in here that tells everything. It's your November box includes a sweatshirt, a blanket, cozy socks, a mini Christmas sign, and Christmas checklist with pen. And here's what I do sometimes. Like, I like all the stuff, but sometimes I gift some of the things. Oh my gosh, look at these fun socks. I think Brooke likes everything I like. Polka dot socks. And then here's the Christmas checklist. Isn't that cute? And I think it's got a magnet on the back, so you could totally put it on the refrigerator. This is, a little sign. This is so cute. Then it's got fun little Christmas trees. It's a wooden sign. This is totally something that I could refresh with some chalk, right? And look, I'm seeing this blanket, and I already love it. Look at this blanket. It's so pretty. I've been getting the Refab box for years. It's kind of like a treat for myself. And like I said, sometimes I like gift some of the stuff. So sometimes it's like I keep some stuff and I gift some stuff. But y'all, this is the blanket. It is polyester, and you can machine wash it. But isn't this pretty? It's so pretty. I could drape this across the bed with my sheets. Let's see. I think that'd be cute, don't y'all? Isn't this awesome? It feels like Christmas every time I get a box. Now, y'all, you know I love the t-shirts and the sweatshirts. So I will be keeping this for myself. I might be gifting some of the other stuff. Whoops. And y'all let me know in the comments if y'all love watching me open the box. And y'all, Brooke always designs this. It says Holly Jolly. And y'all know I like to cut the sleeves. And then I cut the bottom. I get the extra large so that I can, if I want to cut it, I can cut it. Isn't this cute? So y'all, let me know in the comments if y'all liked for me to open things and show them to you. I only want to do what y'all want. I love sharing craft ideas. Thank you for sprinkling. Let's see, is that woven? Oh shoot, where'd it go? Is that woven or it's woven? Lynn, it is. Let me see if I can hold it closer. It is woven. And this is what it looks like on this side. It's like a lightweight throw, but the color is so pretty. And I like that it's machine washable. Now, let me just tell y'all, I wash everything. If it says don't machine wash, I wash it anyway on the gentle cycle. But this says it is machine washable, and it's like textured. So hopefully y'all can see that. And I love this. Cannot wait to wear this. I probably have a good collection of Christmas sweatshirts. I could probably wear one at least half of the month of December. And y'all, I shared this yesterday. It is the Better Homes and Gardens fragrance warmer, and it looks like a, what is that? Snow globe. Isn't that cute? All right, let me get this open. Now, I love the smell of candles, but I like candle warmers better because, you know, the wax and all that. Anyway, this is called the Fragrance Warmer Snow Globe. And I put all the links, like if you type the word sheets, you're going to get the links. I also, they're pinned in the first comment in case, like I said, sometimes the links don't work in Messenger. And because a lot of times I'll have y'all say, the link's not working. Hey, Maxine. All right, it looks like y'all enjoy this. I think it's a good way to see like how things look. All right. And this is one, you know, where it has the light bulb and you put your little wax cubes right here. Now, it doesn't have real snow, but let me try to plug it in so y'all can see it. And y'all, I think this would make a nice gift, especially like if you have friends that love, like, want their house to smell so nice. Well, we all like that. But anyway, like I said, the links are in the first comment. Let me see if I can reach something. All right, now where do I turn it on? Am I going to have to read the instructions? And do I? Oh, I'm so crazy. Okay, so that little light bulb comes on and warms your wax. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm not going to show it like this. But, so you can put your wax in here. And this looks like, it looks like a gray house with snow. And this is so stinking cute. I'm sure it looks really pretty with the lights off. And like I said, it doesn't really have snow, but this is all glass. And it's so pretty. Wouldn't this look good on the entry table, warming your gingerbread wax melt or whatever kind y'all use? So you put them right here, and then you sit this like that. I got to get me some wax melts out. I've been using, I made some little gingerbread people last year. Y'all may have seen it. So this I showed y'all. A lot of times if I find something or if I get something, I like to share it with you so you know what it really looks like. And then the ReFabbed box. This is a monthly subscription. And like I said, it's like a treat monthly for me. It had this blanket in it. Awesome. So cute. And look, there's like a pinned comment, you click on all the links to see how much everything was. I think this is like $16, this candle warmer. The sheets, when I bought them, were $19. And I looked before I came on here, they're like $17 for the king size. But it is really starting to feel like Christmas around here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go back and watch the beginning if you're just hopping on. And what I'm doing is I'm just sharing some of my recent boxes that came in. And like these could be a total gift. These could be a gift. So, you know, my subscription box may be gifties for others. All right, friends, I'm going to hop off here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, don't forget, today's the last day to get the free Flakes welcome. Jan, I think I have done Coasters Live. And y'all, if you're missing any of the lives, I have a YouTube channel. It's Refresh Restyle. And I'll try to remember to put the link on here. But Facebook deleted all the lives for a long time ago. But I tried to put everything on YouTube, but it's missing some things. So tonight's the last night to get the free gift with purchase on the chalk site. The Flakes welcome. So be sure to go over there and check out the size C and D transfers are 50% off. Anyway, it's a great day to get some boxes in. All right, guys. Love y'all. See you later. Have a great night. And like if you're just hopping on, go back to the beginning and see all the goodies. See y'all later.